Question number 17A. Lucy did a survey about the amount spent by 120 men during their summer holidays, and the cumulative frequency table gives some information about the amounts of money spent by the 20 men, and that's what they actually showed on the frequency table. And then they said that you should draw on the grid, draw the cumulative frequency diagram. Okay, so now if you want to draw cumulative frequency diagram, you know that the y-axis will be the cumulative frequency and the x-axis will be the upper class boundary. Now to draw it, the upper class boundaries are the boundaries on this side of the class width. They're the upper class boundary. So now for upper class boundary of 100, we have 13 as the cumulative frequency. So for 100 here, you have 13. This at this point. So for upper class boundary of 150, we have 25, and that's at this point. For upper class boundary of 200, we have 42. That's at this point. For upper class boundary of 250, we have 64. That's at this point. For upper class boundary of 300, we have 93. That's at this point. For upper class boundary of 350, we have 110, and that's at this point. Then for upper class boundary of 400, we have 120. That's at that point there. So we join it up. Remember that this cumulative frequency diagram, so it has to be like a curve. Now join up the points. Has to really look like a curve. Sorry, I'm not so good at freehand sketches. No, that's the way it looks.